Greetings, vac fans. I have a Hoover Windtunnel 3 high performance here, and we're going to do an edge cleaning test. So let's see how well this machine with a completely sealed rug plate does. Got my high-tech 2x4 here and some flour. So we're going to simulate some dirt, dust on an edge like you may have at your home, and I'll put some extra out here just to see if the center pickup is still good. Alright, that'll be enough. Away we go. Ooh, look at that. So, this looks really good. Let's see. Yep, that passed very well. Got a little bit here that smashed on the side of the board. Very, very little. But the edge cleaning, yeah, that did a great job. And just as a reminder, there is, or are, no openings right here. So somehow the flour is getting underneath here and it's able to be picked up by this rug plate. I will say this, I did specifically put the side of the machine right on the board. I mean, I went as close as I possibly could. So somehow it's able to get in there. So that's great. That is really fantastic performance. Great edge cleaning. Stay tuned for more videos.